Bermuda. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in southeastern Indiana, southeastern Wayne County, Union County, Indiana, Preble County, northwestern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Liberty, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Richmond, Oxford, Eaton, Liberty, Camden, Lewisburg, New Paris, West Alexandria, Gladys, West College Corner, Dartown, Salem, El Dorado, West Manchester, College Corner, Somerville, West Elkton, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, and Goodwin's Corner. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Indiana between mile markers 155 and 156. Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The severe thunder